Hi there, I am Em, and I hope that you miss me so much as I missed working on here. I don't want to waste your time because losing time is losing money and I just can't make it happen. So let's go straight to trading. I will work on the amount which you can see in the right up corner, which is $500, and let's see how it will work out. First of all, we will set the investment. So the investment amount will be $500. Then we will set the time, which we will make for 1 minute, and we set the same 1 minute time frame right here. After that, we will see on the chart, and we can see the two indicators we will work on. One of them is alligator, and the second one is volume oscillator. And I almost forgot that for trading we will work with those currency pair which the profit factor is more than 70%. I'd like to tell you a few words about these indicators. I would like to start from volume oscillators. The settings are quite simple, so there is no many tools on there. And what is the main point I would like to tell you, that a volume oscillator has different ways of how it can look like, and just now you can see just one of them. So what this indicator can do, the first and the main thing about it is that he can follow and assess the main dominant, the main tendency of the volume of the trading, just to figure out is it ascending or descending trend. Second one is alligator, and here are way more setting tools. There's jaws, lips, teeth. You don't need to remember all of it, I just showed to you. What do you want to know, to remember and to understand these lines on the chart? If you can see the red line above, yellow one and the green one, it means that the tendency is downward. And if you can see the green line above, it means that the tendency is upward. But the question is, why do we need this yellow line? It needs to show us the signal, the ring bell, to tell us that the trend is about to switch its direction and go oppositely. And before we get started, I just want to kindly remind you that there is a subscription button and a notification button which you would like to press, of course, if you want to trade in my team and to join me in my private Telegram channel. All the links you would like to follow you can see in the description below the video. What we can see? We can see that the pretty confident way of downward. After that, we would like to look at it pretty precisely, and we can see this shadow which is leaving after it, a pretty big shadow, which means that pretty soon it will be kind of little down movement. And according to our helper, we can see that all of these three lines are looking down, and we can see that the red line runs over all others, so it is actually a down movement. And according to volume oscillator, we can see two red bars. Yes, this deal is closing net profit, $945 more, and it is our account, our actual account, which is $945. And let's increase our investment and let's go further. the next currency pair to enter the uptrend. Okay, so what technical analysis show us here? There is two shadows of back movement, and according to alligator we can see that all of our lines are looking down. So everything here says us that hey, it is the down movement, so why did we enter the uptrend? If we take a closer look at it, we can see this red candlestick has this shadow down there, and the green one has as well. So altogether it means that most likely the graph will change its direction and go up. Okay, the oscillator next, and we can see, and after these red bars are happening, right after that we can see that the chart wants to consolidate. And we are about to close. Yes, the deal is closing at profit, and here we can see that our account is $1,767.50. It feels nice. Okay, let's increase for $1,000. And since we are going this far, I would like to mind any risks. So from now we will trade for less amount of money. We skipped, and let's enter the downtrend. What we can see on our technical analysis currently, we can see pretty big down movement. That's why we entered the downtrend. Moreover, we can see that right before this red candlestick there was little backward movement as well. And if you see the tails of these three lines, you can see that, and if you can see the tails of these lines, you can see that they look down. Let's go to oscillator, and there's two red bars which also mean they go down on the chart. And if you draw the line of support and the resistance, you can see that we are smoothly going to the support line. And now we are going down according to our candlestick. It was just I thought, and we are close at profit, and the account is already $2,617, which feels really great. And if you didn't follow the Telegram link yet, please do it right now. And the factor of profit of the signals which I bring into my Telegram is more than 70% of success. So you know what to do. Meanwhile, we are going next currency pair. Here we are entering the uptrend, and technical analysis on here as well. The general tendency on the chart is going down, but right here we are on the point of balancing of our graph, so that's why we entered the uptrend. What else can we see right here? Also, we can see the three red lines, the three candlesticks, and according to alligator we can see that the green line just crossed the yellow one, and right about to cross the red line as well, which means that the trend is about to change direction. According to oscillator, there also was a down movement. According to these red bars, few more seconds, 10 more seconds. Let's zoom it in. This candlestick is pretty intense, and it is about to close at profit, which feels really good. Yes, and the balance is increasing. It is already $3,000. $3,000 and a half. Wow, it feels really good. Let's go next currency pair. The general trend is going down, and alligator also confirms it, because we can see that the tails of the lines are looking down. Oscillator confirms it as well, because you can see even 3 red bars, which also means that the trend keeps going down. And if you draw the parallel line of support and the resistance, we can see the movement, really smooth movement down. 30 seconds, let's zoom it in, and we are right below of our entrance spot. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and okay, yes, it is profitable. The amount just increased for $1,800, and our live account is $4,287. Of course, I would like to take advantage of this moment and to remind you of my Telegram channel, because I will resend the signals right there, and you can just copy paste it and trade with me. That's it. This simple. Next currency pair. We are entering down, and why we did it? We can see that from the first side it is pretty unclear. There is unclear candlesticks, and it was spinning around for 10 seconds and it didn't move nowhere. So why we entered this way? We can see that these red candlesticks and then green one, they are going up and down pretty harsh, up and down, pretty harsh, ups and down. The red line looks down, the yellow down as well, and the green line looks straight, and the general tendency just looks down. Oscillator, what about all bars? And we can see the red bars, which confirms our decision to enter down, and it closed at profit as well. Wow, our live account is almost $5,000. Yes. And next currency pair, what will it bring to us? Okay, we enter down. We can see that red line looks up, and the yellow line looks straight, and the green line looks down, which actually means that the tendency is about to change its direction. And the candlesticks are red, and you can see the shadows above, and the general trend just descending. And if we draw the lines of resistance as support, we can see that those lines were pretty close to each other, and we can see that the shadows tries to cross over this resistance line a few times, so the market just switches direction and goes down. And according to oscillator, we can see 2 red bars, which also confirms the back movement. Yes, it is close net profit, so summarily we will have plus $1,700, and I would like to finish at it. First of all, our live account is $5,000, $577, because we just started from $500 and now is 5,000 more. We worked with very quick deals, it's just 1 minute. There's several currency pairs we worked on, and all of the profit factors are more than 70%. And also we worked with our helpers, which are pretty common, and you can just pause this video and copy paste all the settings of alligator, and volume oscillator setting, you can see it right here, the setting. Also, please guys, subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow my Telegram channel. For a really small entrance fee, you will get access to all these settings and all these signals, which are way more than here on YouTube. So guys, all the links you would like to follow you can find just in description below the video. As always, I'm here for you, and see you next time. Trade with M.